Kyle Mounts here with an update on your forecast, and we missed that record high on Christmas Day by just 1 degree, topping out at 63. Now, it will be a little cooler on Sunday, but still well above average. Most areas making their way into the 50s. You can see we'll have a temperature gradient across the state with the front kind of hanging out. 46 in Peru, but close to 60 in the Bloomington area. Now, I think we will see those rain chances increasing for Sunday night, so we don't get a big break from the active weather here, and even overnight Sunday, we could have a rumble of thunder or two once again, but all of this moves out pretty early in the day on Monday. As far as that rainfall potential goes, most of the models coming in about a third of an inch of rain, but get under a thunderstorm, and we know how that goes. You could see locally 1/2 to 1 inch of rainfall. Temperatures are actually back into the middle 60s on Monday, 52 Tuesday with rain likely once again here. And as we get ready to close out the year, it looks like temperatures do start to go a little closer to average here. Highs will top out in the lower 40s Thursday and Friday, but another chance for some warming temperatures and rain showers for New Year's Day.